Hi, I'm Matt Zeiler, and I'm the founder and CEO of Clarifai. So we're an AI platform company founded 11 years ago, and I was even doing my PhD in AI before starting Clarifai. Fortunate to work with some of the pioneers in the field and really bringing the latest of AI out there to customers. Originally started as a full stack platform of data labeling, training, inference, evaluation, all in one place. And in the last couple of years, we realized that the compute orchestration that we built internally is actually now top of mind for every customer. They're trying to figure out how to utilize the compute, how to run compute anywhere, and really run it in a low latency optimized way. And so we launched Compute Orchestration just recently, and today here at NVIDIA GTC, we're launching a partnership with Vultr, where Vultr is now supported in our compute orchestration. So customers can, at the click of a button, create compute and orchestrate their workload on Vultr at the click of a button and a few lines of code. And we love working with Vultr so far. They've been a great partner, really quick response time, working closely with us to make the most out of their compute and our platform together. And I'm sure we're going to bring that great customer success to our joint customers together in the future. So very excited for the partnership.